Bonjour. So today we are going to learn about the verb. So which verb? Le verb TIR. So as I told you, we have divided the verb into the three groups. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the group third present tense. As we learned in the group first that ER verb regular, second was IR verb regular, and third one is the group third one. We are learning today irregular verb, which is TIR. Okay. So here, so why do we call them the TIR verb? What is the reason behind that? First of all, know this. So here I have written some verb. Okay. You can see and focus there that its ending of the verb is TIR. Everywhere, party, sorti, menti, sonti, veti. Okay, so their ending are with the TIR. That's why we call it the TIR words. So first of all, we will know the meaning. So party means to leave, sorti to go out, mentir to lie, sentir to smell, vestir to dress. So now we will try to understand how can we conjugate the present tense. How can we conjugate the verbs in the present tense? So I have taken the verb parti. Parti means to leave. So as I told you that we have divided the subject into two parts. Okay. First is singular means singular. Second one is plurial means plural. So these are our singular subject. The, I, tu, you, il, he, el, she, or one or it. Okay. Now come to the plural subject. Plural subjects are nu, we, you, woo, you, il means they, masculine plural, el means feminine plural. Now come to the verb, okay, that we are going to learn today. So party means to leave. So here we have to cut TIR. In ER verb we cut ER. In IR verb we cut R, and RE verb we cut RE. So now in the party verb, okay, we have to cut TIR. But there is exception. I will tell you. Let's listen carefully. So we have cut it down the TIR. Okay. So we are left with the PAR means pa. So pa is our radical. Radical is pa. And why I have written the different one, I am going to tell you also. So I told you these are the singular subject. Then we have to write radical. Radical means the pa, which we have left. So I wrote here, and here you can see I have written the two radical. The first radical we will use for singular, and the second radical we will use for plural. Okay. So here you can see I have written the radical PAR, tu PAR, il PAR, el PAR, or PAR. But here in the plural subject, I have written the radical PART, woo PART, il PART, el PART. So now come how can we conjugate the verb. So in that we have to add what? S. Jo, like S with you, S with il, T. Okay, we have to add T. There also T, at the last also T. Okay, so means jab pa, tube pa, have written the radical part. Okay, here we have to write parton, O and S. It will be the ending. Now we part te. Nu parton, vu parte. Okay, now with eel. It is the plural masculine one. So here we have to write E and T. As similar to that, also L, E and T. Okay. So how can we speak this? After me, repeat once again. Like job pa means I leave or I am leaving. The meaning of to leave. So I leave or I am leaving. Here you will say there is a present simple tense and the present continuous tense. So in French, we count them the simple and the present tense similar. Okay, whether I leave or I am leaving. Sentence will be the same in French, like je pars. Tu pars. Also, you leave or you are leaving. Il part, like he is leaving or he leaves. Elle part, she is leaving or she leaves. On part means one is leaving or one leaves. Now come to the nous partons. Remember, nous partons. O and S we have to add. So we leave or we are leaving. Suppose vous partez. Vous partez, you leave or you are leaving. Now come to the il. Il part. Okay? Il part means they leave or they are leaving, and with the L1. So L part means they leave or they are leaving. Okay, I hope you understood all the videos. If you have confusion, write in the comment box. Comment, like, subscribe my videos. Merci beaucoup.